Hey guys, this is Ken5Van here. I'm recording with my new video recorder app. As you can see, it has the date and the month, the date, and the year on the bottom, and the time. So here we have a 2004 General Electric branded Lasko box fan. This fan has some problems. Well, at least it has one problem. It squeals a lot, and it has very dry bearings. Otherwise, it would work fine, but I need to buy the right oil for it, and I haven't bought the right oil for this. So, yeah. I'll run it for a few minutes. I'll run it for a second. Maybe I'll actually run it until it starts to squeal. I don't know yet. I don't want to wreck the bearings. So, here we go. Here's high. I want this whole thing to fall in. It's high, medium, and low. It's not gonna squeal right now. You can see it's running rough. Yep, there it starts to squeal now. Okay, and off. And it has very slow spin down time. Very fast spin down time too. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.